Dear students, I hope you are doing well and you are fine. Now our video will be talk about subject about around the 1.4. It's easy about the algebraic matrix. For algebraic matrix, it means that how we deal with the matrix, how we find two matrix. We say, for example, such two matrix, they are equal if all elements are equal. So it means that A is equal to 1, B 3, C 5, D2. It's not important things here. How about the addition and different subtraction and scalar product? For the scalar product, it's just easy. For example, if you have A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 3, so 2 by 2, we have 2 row, 2 column, 2 by 2. So when we write down, we say 2A means that 2 by 1 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 4, 10, 6. That's all. I think it's easy. So this one for one. But for addition and subtraction, we have two matrices. For example, A is equal to something, B is equal to something else. In that, the important things here, this one, if it's NM or MN, means that the dimension, for example, we have 2 by 3. Here should be 2 by 3, NM. So if this one is NM, this one also should be NM. Otherwise, we cannot add or subtract. That's the point, okay? Not. So the dimension is important. Okay, dear? How? Now I have two, you can see A, B, C. If I say A is what? A is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. So A is, for example, 2 minus 3, 0, 5, 7 minus 1 over 2. This matrix is 3 row by 2 column. And B also is what? 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 2, 2. How we add? First, how we add A plus B? First of all, you should check here also is 3 by 2. So how we add? We say 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. 0 with minus 3 is minus 3. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2 is 9. Minus, and I will get half, 3 over 2. That's all. So if the dimension are equal, the operator is easy. Okay, so now it's easy. If I say A is equal to 2 minus 3, 0, 5. Let me say C, for example. If I say C is equal to 7 minus 3, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 5. And D equal 2, 6, 0, minus 6, 8, 1, 9. So if I say C minus D, so it means that this one minus that one. So 7 minus 6, 1 by 1. 7 minus 6. So I get what? I will get what? When I say 3 minus 3 minus 0, I will get what? Minus 0. If I say 0 minus 6, I will get what? I will get 6. Okay. 0 minus 8 minus 8. 1 minus minus 0. 5 minus 9 minus 4. So that's it. So we have a C and A. In that case, if I say A plus C is equal to what? A, here's A, we said 3 by 2. Here's B is what? 2 by 3. So we cannot add anything. It's not equal to nothing. We say not. Why? Because the dimension of here is 3 by 2 and the dimension here is 2 by 3. In that case, we cannot add. We cannot add. Okay, we cannot add or subtract A and C. Why? The dimensions are different. That's it. Okay, dear? So in that case, we cannot do anything. This is all about the example 2 in page 106, and you can see the solution undefined. You can see why C and A we cannot do it. In the page 1.17, you get the result. Now, if we have two matrices, we can play with them. If we have with that addition, if we have three matrix, we can say associative, we can play with them. If we have two scalar multiply, they are the same. If we have two number, we can add them, we multiply by a. If we have one number multiply two matrix, we can distribute this. Means that the operation matrix with addition has no problem. Okay, means that has no problem. Now we are going to the example 3. You say what? If a is equal to such matrix like 2 3 minus 5 and 1, and b is equal to 4 minus 1 1 3, then try to solve means that find x. 2x minus a is equal to b. So solve x. You know 2x is equal to what? Equal to b plus a. Why? I'll change this one to here. And I know how to add two matrix. How? It's easy. So 2 plus 6, 3, 2, minus 5, 1 is equal to 4, minus 4, 1, 3, 4. Now we have 2x is equal to 1. How about x? We divide all part, or we multiply by 1 over 2. So I'll get 1 over 2 by this matrix, and this one will be x. So 1 over 2 by this matrix, and the result will change to what? I'll write down here. X will be 3, 1, minus 2, 2. The end. I think it's easy, it's not difficult. You need just a little bit work on it. So that's all about the page 107, which we have solve matrix equation. It's very important. It means that how to solve the equation and how you get the result. Now we are going to the important subject, which need more focus, more concentrating about the multiplication of matrix. The multiplication has more work. Look at here. Here's the matrix dimension. We need such rules and how we multiply this one. Now shortly give you the tips about how to multiply. If a is nm and b is mk, then the result will be something matrix nk. So look at here, the note. If the dimension is different, it's okay. But the important things here, the last of here means that the column of here, it should be equal to the second of row of the second matrix. Okay. For example, if a is 2 by 3 and b is 3 by 5 or so, it's okay. We say the result will be the matrix, because these are equal it's okay, we can multiply, and the result will be 2 by 4. Okay, dear, that's all. So look, the result will be the farthest, and the condition for multiplication, these ones should be equal. Okay, dear. For example, if I say b multiply by a, in that case b by a, we cannot multiply. Why? Here's 3 by 4. How about here? We have 2 by 3. These one are equal? No, so we can't unify. Okay, that's all about the multiplication of matrix. First, before we multiply, we should check the dimension. Before we add or subtract, we should check the dimension. For addition and subtraction, the dimension should be equal. If I say a plus b, here should be equal. But for multiplication, no, something else. M, K, and M. Here should be equal. Okay, and the result was such nk. That's all about multiplication before we multiply. Okay, dear? So how we multiply? That's the question. I'm going to solve the easy example. Then later we will go into the more difficult one. Okay? We need, for multiplication, we need like making something like a number 6. Okay, do not forget about this number 6. What I mean by number 6, I'll tell you. Okay, here we are. For example, if a is equal to 1 3 minus 1 0, multiply b is equal to minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 4, 7. This one's A multiply B. So first of all, I'm going to check here 2 by 2. Here's 2 by 3. So do not forget about how to count this dimension. It said 1, 2, 2 row, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So 2 is equal to 2, yes. So the result will be 2 by 3. Okay. So how we multiply? First, we will do such a graph like a number 6. We multiply first row by the first column, like that, like number 6, okay? Or L, like L. This one by that one, and that one by that one. How? We say the result equal to 1 multiply minus 1, okay, plus, do not forget, 3 multiply by 0. Okay, this is just for one cell. How about the second cell? The second column, we multiply first row by the second column. So again, here, we should multiply to here. How? We say 1 multiply by 5 plus 3 multiply by 4. Okay, how about the third one? The same, I say 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7. The end. Okay, dear. This one for the second row. How about the for the first row? How about for the second row? The second row the same. We multiply this one by 1, and by 1 by 1. So how? We say minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, 0 by 0. Okay, minus 1 by 5. Okay, 0 by 4. Minus 1 by 5, 0 by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 2, 0 by 7. That's all. If you see, we have what? We have 1, 1, 1. We have 3, 3, 3. We have what? Again, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 0, 0, 0. How about here? Minus 1, minus 1. 0, 0. 5, 5. 4, 4. 2, 2. 7, 7. So it means that everything is okay. Means that everything is okay. Okay, dear? That's all about how to multiply the matrix. Now it's time to do yourself. 1 by minus 1, minus 1. 3 by 0, 0. So I will get minus 1. 1 by 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 is equal to 17, right? 1 by 2, 2. 2 plus 21 is equal to 23. Minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 5 plus 0, minus 5. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. That's the multiplication of A, B. Okay. So if you try, please, I know it's the first time, it's not, you can't capture all together, but you can play this or watch this video, especially in the multiplication time. 1, 2, 3 times you can deal with it. It's easy. Now my question is that, how about B by A? Can we multiply or not? I don't know. B is what? B is 2 by 3. How about here? 2 by 2. So no, we cannot, because the dimension here is not equal, so undefined. Okay, dear, is undefined. That's all about the multiplication of two matrices. I think it's not difficult, just need more work. Try to solve, please. Try to multiply 25, exercise 25 in your exercise. Here are the results. The good things here, multiplication AB is not equal to BA. Sometimes you can see, we multiply AB, we get the result. Sometimes when see BA, we haven't the result, or sometimes even we have the result. They are not equal. Example, I have what? I have these two examples. I'm going to solve it for you here directly. If I multiply A by B, okay, we have multiplication A with B. So we say we will multiply this one by that side. So 5 by 1 plus 7 by 9, you can see. And again, 5 by 2 plus 7 by minus 1. You can see here. For the second, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Of course, I will get 2 by 2. Okay. Minus 3 by 1, 0 by 9. Minus 3 by 2, 0 by minus 1. Then add them. I will get what? I will get 68, 3, and again, BA, the same method. You can see this matrix, the result of AB is not equal to the result of BA. That's why they are not equal in general. Okay, dear? So that's all about the multiplication of matrix. So it's very important. And we know how to play with the matrix, so this one is not included in page 111. So please do not try to solve these subjects. Also, computer graphing, you don't need it. This is talking about the application of matrix. If you need for such such report, is very important for you. That's all about 1.4, which they are easy. Please try to solve the exercise that you have. Have a nice time and see you in the next video.